Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add product categories in Shopify the quick and easy way. We will go step by step so that by the end of this video you will have your store neatly organized into categories like men's clothing, electronics, or skincare. In Shopify, product categories are actually called collections. Think of them like folders that group similar products. For example, t-shirts. In a t-shirt collection, laptops in an electronic collection. Summer skincare in a summer collection. You can create manual collections, you add products yourself, or automated collections. Shopify adds products based on rules. Let's create a manual collection first. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Products, then Collections, then click Create Collection. Name, let's say men's shoes. Description optional but good for SEO. You can use ChatGPT for description. Then collection type, choose manual. Click Save, then scroll down and click Browse. To manually add products to this collection, first of all, you need to add product. From here, click Add Product. Stylish sneaker. Now I'm going to upload a photo from Google. Just search for sneakers. Now download a photo from here. Now upload image from your computer. Then add price. Then track quantity. Then shop location. Continue selling and select the product has SKU or barcode. Then barcode number, SKU unit. Then click save. Now go to collections again. Now from browse tab, select the stylish sneaker, then click add. Use this type when you want full control over which items go in. Now let's create an automated collection which updates itself based on rules. Then go to collections tabs, then click create collection. Again, name, let's say t-shirt. Choose automated or smart collection. Set a condition, product title contains t-shirt or product tag is equal to t-shirt. You can add multiple conditions if you want. This is great for big stores. Shopify will automatically add any product that matches your rules. Click Save and you are done. Next, let's add these categories to your store's main menu. Go to Online Store. Then go to Navigation bar from the left side corner. Then click Add Menu. Name it T-shirts. Link it to your collections. Repeat this for other categories like men's shoes or skincare. Click Save Menu. And now the categories will show up on your homepage navigation. To make automated collections work properly, use consistent product tags. When adding or editing products, scroll down to the tags section and add keywords like t-shirt, shoes, electronics, etc. These tags help Shopify sort products into the right collection automatically. Now go to your live store, click view your store. Now check each category to make sure the right products appear inside. If you don't see anything, double check tags, collection conditions. If products are active and available on your sales channel, just click on it, then add it to now. Buy it now. That's it. You have just added clean, professional product categories to your Shopify store using Collections tab and menus. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What categories are you creating first? So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.